everyone, so for today's video I'm going to cook a fish, sweet and sour fish. So this is sea bream. I have here sea bream fish and the chili, of course the sugar, a little bit of sugar, carrots, garlic and onions, and oil and vinegar. So let's start cooking now. I have the fish, everything. My carrots is all ready, so I forget to show you the ginger. So I'm start cooking now. So first thing I did, I need to see if it's already clean. So yeah, but I need to take off this one, the I don't know what's this one in English. Take everything, this one, the don't know what's this part, because it's not good, but it's already clean. Got this clean already, so just only wash this one with water. First thing, we need to clean this one, the other part. Clean this one, take off this one, and slice that one so that the seasoning will absorb in the fish, because I need to fry this one. Sorry, because my knife is not really good. Yeah, take this one off. It's hard. Now this one, where's the other part? This one, because if you eat this one, it can. And here, this is really expensive here, but in my country it's really cheap. Oops. This one, I need to remove this one as well so that it's perfectly clean. Yeah. And this one, need to do it like this because it's okay. That's it. So I need to put this one, my favorite seasoning. Just spread it all over the fish because I need to fry this one first. Then after, I make a sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, like that. So I have here the chili. Slice the chili. Chili is done, so let's set aside the chili. So I'm done in the carrots, old carrots, but it's okay. I'm done slicing now the onions, the carrots, the garlic, and the ginger. So it's ready now. Now the pan is hot, so let's put the fish. So now I need to turn around. Turn around. Oh, make it turn like that. Okay. Now it's ready, guys. Ready to serve. Ready to. Okay, it's broken, but it's okay. It's fine because it's too big. Put a little bit of oil. Now the garlic, onions. We're making the sauce. The ginger. Now mix together. Carrots. Mix together. So I start making the sauce, sweet and sour sauce. So water, a little bit of water, not much. Soy sauce, little bit of soy sauce. Chili, yes, already there, the chili. Then mix it. So let's check. So let's put the sugar. Mix this one. So a little bit of seasoning. Then flour, we need to put flour so that the so that it's look like it's nice, look like sticky. So it's better to put flour so make the sauce like a little bit sticky. So I'm using the organic coconut vinegar. So let's put the vinegar, not much, not much. Yeah, like that. Then do it like, no, not yet, not yet. Now let's mix it. Okay, it's ready now. So it's ready now, the sauce, guys. So it's ready. So now it's ready, guys. This is the sauce. And this is the fish. So now I'm going to put the fish in here. Yeah, to make the sauce absorb inside the fish. Like that. Like that. Like that. So later I will do it. So this is how it looks like. So it's nice. This crispy in the outside, soft inside. So yeah, this one. So it's ready now, my dinner, my sweet and sour fish sea bream. Now I'm going to taste. If it's that, I'm going to taste now. This is the meat of the fish and the carrot. So very soft. Wow, perfect, guys. Perfect. The crispy outside, inside is soft. So yeah, wow. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this for today's dinner time. I like it because it's not dry. If it's fried, it's dry, but this one there's a sauce, so I can feel the vinegar and the sugar mixed together. Oh my god, my own version of cooking. Anyway, I'm not perfect in cooking, but this is my own version. So yummy, so delicious. Really delicious. Very delicious. This is called escabeche. Fish escabeche in the Philippines, but in here in the UK it's sweet and sour fish. Wow. Wow, it's so yummy. So delicious. So yeah, perfect cook by me, guys. So thank you so much for watching, because my video is not perfect. I'm just cooking at home. I'm not a professional chef, but I try my best to cook it properly. Yeah, and this one out of 10. This is perfect for me. I love my own cooking. Sometimes I don't like some, but today I really love this one. It's perfect. One of my favorite. So escabeche is popular in my country, escabeche, but I have my own version. So everyone has his own version of cooking, has different taste. Every human being has a different taste, so we cannot guarantee that one. But for me, as of now, this one is really, really nice taste, really lovely. So thank you, guys. So anyway, sometimes my video is only mix of do cooking, product review is mixed together. So hopefully you click the notification bell, guys, so that you are updated we are updated in my videos. So I'm just learning. I'm not excellent. I'm not well spoken, guys. I'm not well spoken, but I try my best. I do my best to take a video once a week, sometimes 3 times a week. So yeah, try my best. So anyway, let's finish this one here, everything, so that it will absorb the stickiness. You know, the one that brings the stickiness is the flour. I use this one, this plain, sorry, my camera, plain white flour. This is from Sainsbury. It is organic plain white flour. Organic plain white flour for best before diet. Okay, energy, fat, carbohydrates, sugar, protein. So this is organic. This 1 kilograms. It's not bad. 1 kilograms is not bad, guys. You can have this one for long time. So you can put this one anywhere in the dry place. Don't put in the fridge. Yeah, perfect cook by me. I'm so happy today. It's around afternoon, dinner time. So later on, I have my rice in here, guys. I have my rice. Still, I have my rice. This is okay for me. So I cooked this one this morning, but it's still okay. Then mix together with my sweet and sour fish. So ready for dinner. Yeah, ready for dinner, guys. So yeah, and of course we don't forget our fruits. Yeah, fruits, but this one is already, there is some vegetables because I have already the carrots, garlic, the chili, red pepper, and the onions, ginger. So this is also the one, is also a vegetables, and I have already the fish meat. So yeah, anyway, guys, so thank you so much, for watching. My name is Lilith. So I'm here based in the UK now, but soon I will be going home to the Philippines soon for holiday, just vacation. Yeah, I really love this country. Yeah. And yes, of course. So thank you so much. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, guys. So if you want, so don't forget to ring the notification bell. Yeah, just click the notification bell, then that's it. Then subscribe, then watch my video. Yes, so anyway, maybe soon I will do travel videos if I'm going for holiday vacation. So I'm do travel videos. So thank you so much for all your support, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.